Good morning to all. I am Kaviyarasan, Department of ADS, MEM School of Engineering. Today I am talking about the topic is modern technology does make life more convenient. What is modern technology? Modern technology refers to use advanced tools, machines, systems, and devices such as computers, smartphones, internet, artificial intelligence, medical equipment that are designed to make life easier and more efficient in daily life. Modern technology does make life more convenient, automating daily tasks. Smartphones, devices, and applications such as washing machines and dishwashers automated chores, freezing up time, improved communication. Smartphones, video conference, and instant message allow to immediate connection with others regardless of distance. Convenient access to goods and service. E-commerce platform and online shopping provides access to vast array of products from home. Efficient transportation, high-speed trains, aeroplanes, and riding share apps like Uber and Lyft offer fast and accessible way to travel. Access to information and knowledge. The internet and the digital platform provide instant access to a wealth of information, make learning and search more accessible. Digital storage and cloud service allow for easy organization and quickly retrieval of large amount of data. Example of convenient online shopping allow for more convenient purchase of goods without leave the house. GPS navigation make it easier to find the location and navigate unfamiliar areas. Ride sharing apps offer a convenient way to hail ride from anywhere, anytime. Thank you.